Most apps just don't get it. If you've been looking for a way to learn Bosnian, you probably realize that most of the big apps don't have this language. And if you find an app that teaches Bosnian, most of the time it looks like a boring textbook. Today, I'm showing you the best app to learn Bosnian, and I'll explain why it's the best app to get you speaking right from day one. The app I'm talking about is Ling. You can check out the link in the description below to start your 7-day free trial with the Ling app today. We added all the app's key features in these timestamps so it's easier for you to look through. Now let's start with the most critical part of learning a new language, the audio.
Kako ste?
Most apps use text-to-speech or TTS robots, which is good for them because it saves them money, but bad for you because if you learn from a robot, you'll end up sounding like one. But that's what sets Ling apart from all the other apps out there. Ling works closely with native speakers to create the courses and to record the voices for you. And this is good for every language, but especially total ones, because you're hearing real people speak in their actual accents. It's actually the best way to get your ear tuned to the natural rhythm of the language without needing to go out and speak to a native face-to-face. But hearing it is one thing and using it in context is another. Ling doesn't just throw random vocabulary at you. Unlike other apps, Ling is built around context. Understanding what, when, where, why, that's the key part to learning a new language. They design each lesson to match the real-world situation you need with the right amount of gamification to lead your learning journey. And the sentences that you get to learn first are the ones that you'll use right away. Like ordering food, asking for directions, and calling for help in case of an emergency. Now let's be honest, even if the lessons are going great, staying motivated is one of the hardest parts of learning a new language. Well, that's why I really like the banana points and the streak feature. These features motivate you to learn your language daily and help you progress better, and every lesson earns you banana points. But that's not all. Ling also has a daily streak counter, but it only gives you just the right amount of push to help you open the app at least once a day. And these aren't just for you to see, they push you up the leaderboard so you can compete with other learners, even if it's just a 5-minute break from doom scrolling on social media. Now, with all those features, will they actually teach you how to speak? That's what Ling's Chatbot aims to do. It's an interactive conversation partner, and it simulates real life. All you have to do is listen to the native speaker, give your answer, and then the app gives you instant feedback. This helps you put yourself in the situation before you actually talk to somebody, so you're more confident when the time comes when you actually have to use a language. It's the perfect way of practicing conversation without the anxiety of talking to a stranger before you're ready. Now that I've went through Ling's key features, I want to let you know that this app is made with cultural and linguistic respect. Your language matters, and with Ling, we can keep your language alive. Thank you for watching, and give Ling a try if you want to master the language, the accent, and to speak confidently. The premium version is a paid model, but if you want to give it a go before committing, you can click the link in the description below for a free 7-day trial. Have a good language learning journey! Bye!